Alright, gather round folks, because we're about to unravel the mystery of that squishy, 3-pound wonder inside your skull, your brain. More specifically, we're going to talk about why looking after its mental well-being is as crucial as maintaining a secret stash of your favorite cookies. First off, what's mental health? It's like the operating system of your brain. It needs to run smoothly for all your apps, or, life functions, to work properly. Good mental health lets us think, feel, and react in the ways we need to live our lives, not just exist. You wouldn't drive your car without regular tune-ups, right? Unless you fancy being stranded in the middle of nowhere with a smoking engine. Well, your brain is your vehicle through life, and mental health is its maintenance. It needs regular checkups and the occasional oil, or in this case, serotonin, top-up. Now, here's a biggie: mental health affects physical health. The mind-body connection is like the internet, often invisible, but it can seriously slow down if there's a problem somewhere. Stress can increase your risk of heart disease, and depression can worsen the outcomes of chronic diseases like diabetes. The connection is real, folks, and your yoga teacher wasn't lying. Good mental health boosts productivity too. A healthy mind can do wonders, much like a good Wi-Fi connection. You wouldn't download a file on dial-up internet if you could help it, right? The same goes for working or studying with a cluttered mind. Lastly, mental health is crucial for relationships. An unhealthy mind can lead to misunderstandings, conflicts, and breakups. A bit like inviting a bear to a picnic: nobody enjoys it, and someone always ends up losing their sandwich. So, whether you're in a debate or just curious, remember this: mental health is not a luxury, but a necessity. It's the unsung hero of our overall well-being, the star quarterback of Team U. Neglect it, and things start to crumble, but nurture it, and you can tackle anything life throws at you. Keep those neurons happy, folks, and remember, mental health matters, not just for you but for everyone around you. Just like a good chocolate chip cookie, sharing is caring.